How to convert PDF to Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily convert a PDF file into a Word document so you can edit and modify its content effortlessly. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just need to make some changes to a PDF, this method has got you covered. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here is our PDF file. So when we open it, you will notice it contains both text and images. Now to turn this into a Word document, you simply need to open a Microsoft Word. Now once you have opened it, simply locate the PDF file you wish to convert. And once you have selected the file, simply click open again. And after that, a pop-up message will appear which says that this lets you know that Word is converting the PDF into an editable document. So you simply need to click OK, and in a few moments your PDF will be converted. And once the document has been opened, you can simply click on enable editing and you can enable the PDF message like the way you want. And once you're done with that, you can simply save the file, and that's it. That's how you can convert the PDF file into Word file. And if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.